Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Surfshark VPN on an ASUS router. Let's get started. Before we dive into this rather technical setup, I want to mention that if you're looking for a VPN that's incredibly easy to install and use right away, you should check out Surfshark VPN using the link in the description. It offers a simple one-click connection to thousands of fast, reliable servers without any of the complications we're about to discuss. Setting up a VPN directly on your router is a fantastic idea because it automatically protects every single device connected to your Wi-Fi, from smart TVs to gaming consoles, without needing to install an app on each one. First, you need to get the configuration files from Surfshark. Open a web browser and go to the Surfshark website, log into your account, and on the left-hand side, select Manual Setup. Then, click on Locations. You'll see a full list of available servers. I recommend choosing a server that is geographically close to you for the best speed. Once you've picked a location, click on it, select the OpenVPN UDP protocol for performance, and download the configuration file. Now, it's time to log into your ASUS router. Open a new browser tab and type your router's IP address into the URL bar. Common ones are 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.50.1. Log in with your credentials if you haven't changed them. Admin for both username and password often works. Inside the router's control panel, look on the left for the VPN tab and click it. Then, make sure you are on the VPN Client tab at the top. At the bottom of this page, click Add Profile. Select the OpenVPN tab. Here's the crucial part. Under Description, give your profile a name, like USA Server. For the username and password, you cannot use your regular Surfshark login. You must go back to the Surfshark Manual Setup page in your other browser tab, and this time, click on the Credentials tab. Copy this special username and password and paste them into the respective fields in your router settings. Finally, click Choose File and upload the OpenVPN configuration file you downloaded earlier. Leave the Import the CA option unticked. Click OK, and then on the main screen, click the Activate button. A blue check mark will appear once the connection is successfully established. To confirm it's working, open a new tab and visit a site like whatismyip.com. The location shown should now match the VPN server you connected to. And that's it. I want to mention that if you're looking for a VPN that's incredibly easy to install and use right away, you should check out Surfshark VPN using the link in the description.